Hi crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Today is the last day of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas box unboxing. We are at day 12. Can you believe it? Anyway, let's go see what's going on in here. If you missed any of the other days, I do have the playlist in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. Alright. I'm gonna be sad to have this not doing anymore. This has been really fun. Alright, let's see. What do we think it might be? Let's see. Whoop. I think I see stencils. And it's flexible. So, stencils maybe. Alright, let's check it out. Dun, dun, dun. Last one, everybody. Ooh. What is this? This is the Magnificent Magnolias stencil set. Let's see how many are in here. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so when you put them together, I'm just going to turn it in the light so maybe you can see all the layers together. This is really big, the image. And there, I don't know if you can see, there's leaves that come all the way down here. So it is pretty much almost, it's maybe probably like 5 by 6 or so. So you have the open part of the flower, you have the detail, open part of the leaves, and then the detail for the leaves. Alright. This is going to be awesome and gorgeous, of course, because every stencil that Gina does is amazing. And I cannot wait to play with this. Alright, so here we are for our last day. The stencil set, again, it's Magnificent Magnolias. And if you missed any of the other days, they will be in that playlist, as well as any projects that I make will also be in that playlist, so you can check that out. I just wanted to say that thank you, and I appreciate you going on this journey with me and doing our unboxings every day. I really appreciate your support of my channel, and I appreciate your support of my channel throughout this whole year. It's my dream to have this YouTube channel where I can teach, you know, techniques and card making and all the things, and I wouldn't be able to do that without you. So I just want to tell you how much I appreciate your support and all that good stuff. Alright, and I wish you a very happy holiday season to you and your family. And thanks so much for stopping by today. And until next time, like, subscribe, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.